Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to practice few problems on adding 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. First problem given is add 345 plus 52. Okay, so first we will write in the form of tens and ones. So first I have written the number 345. So 3 comes under 100, 4 comes under 10 and 5 comes under 1. The same way 52, 5 comes under 10 and 2 comes under 1. Okay, so in 345 we have 5 ones. So I have written 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And then we have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Then we have 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3 hundreds. Okay, in 52 we have 2 ones. 1, 2, 2 ones. And then we have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Okay, so next part we are going to find the sum of this 345 and 52. Now we'll count the number of ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones is there. So I have written 7 in the ones column. Now we will count tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 tens is there. I have written 9 in the tens column. Then we'll count hundreds. 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds are there. I have written 3 in the hundreds column. So 345 plus 52 we have added and we got the answer 397. Thus 345 plus 52 is equal to 397. The next number given is 492 plus 29. Okay, first we will write in column wise. So 492 I have written in ones, tens and hundreds column. So 4 in hundreds and 9 in tens and 2 in ones. Similarly I have written 29, 2 in tens column and 9 in ones column. So we'll write number of ones, tens and hundreds. So we have 2 ones. So I have written 2 ones here. And we have 9 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And we have 4 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. Okay, so next we'll represent 29. So in 29 we have 9 ones. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones I have written. We have 2 tens. So I have written 1, 2. So 2 tens. Okay, so in the next step we are going to count ones. Okay, so now I am going to count ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 ones is there. Okay, so now I have striked out 10 ones and I have added 1 10 in the tens column. Okay, okay, now we will count tens. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 tens is there. So now I have striked out 10 tens and I have added 100 in the hundreds column. You understood? So I have striked out 10 ones and I have added 1 10 and I have striked out 10 tens and I have added 1 hundreds. Okay, so now the next step we will find the sum by counting the remaining numbers. So here 1 is remaining, so I have written 1 here, and 1, 2 tens is remaining, so I have written 2 here. We'll count hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds is there, so I have written 5 in the hundreds column. So the sum of 492 and 29 is 521. This 492 plus 29 is 521. The next number given is 245 plus 93. So now we will write in the hundreds, ones and tens column. Okay, so the first number is 245. So in 245 we have 5 ones, 4 tens and 2 hundreds. The next number is 93. So in 93 we have 3 ones and 9 tens. Okay, now we'll represent this in ones, tens and hundreds. So we have 5 ones. So I have represented 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And then 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And then 2 hundreds. 1, 2 hundreds. Then the number 93 has 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3 ones. And then 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. Okay, so in the next step, we will count the ones, tens and hundreds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 ones, so which is less than 10. We are keeping it as such. Next, we'll count the tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tens is there. So I have striked out 10 tens and I make it as 100. Okay, so 100 if we count 1, 2, 300. So we are keeping it as such. Now we will find the sum. Okay, so the number of ones is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have written 8 in ones column and we have striked out 10 tens. So the remaining tens is 1, 2, 3. So I have written 3 in the tens column. The number of hundreds is 1, 2, 3. So I have written 3 in the hundreds column. Thus 245 plus 93 is 338. So the next number given is 643 plus 345. So now we will represent in ones, tens and hundreds. So 643. So I have written 3 in ones column, 4 in tens column and 6 in hundreds column. The next number is 345. I have written 5 in ones column, 4 in tens column and 3 in hundreds column. We will represent this with ones, tens and hundreds. So it has 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3 ones. 643 has 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And it has 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. The next number is 345. So which has 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Then it has 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And then 345 has 300. So 1, 2, 3 hundreds. Okay, next step we will find the sum of all these things. We will count the number of ones and we have to write it in the ones column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So I have written 8 in the ones column. Now we will count number of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 tens I have written in the tens column because all the numbers are less than 10. We have to write the number as such. Okay. So next we will count hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. So I have written 9 in the hundreds column. Thus if you add 643 plus 345, the answer is 988. The next question given is 750 plus 219. Okay, so first we will represent 750 and 219 in ones, tens and hundreds columns. So in 750 you have 0 ones, 5 tens and 7 hundreds. In 219 we have 9 ones, 1 tens and 2 hundreds. So since it has 0 ones, there is no ones here. Okay, and it has 5 tens. So I have represented with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 7 hundreds it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds. Okay, so now we will represent 219. It has 9 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. And then 1 10. So I have written it 1 10. Then next I have to represent 200. So 1, 2 hundreds. Okay, so in the next step we are going to find the sum. Okay, now we will count number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So since it's less than 10, we are going to write the number as such. So 0 and 9 in the ones column, if you add it, you will get 9. Okay, now we will count tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So I have written 6 in the tens column. Now we will count hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hundreds. So thus 750 plus 219 we will get 969. Hope you have understood how to add two 3-digit numbers or two 2-digit numbers very easily using this method. Thank you for watching the video.